He's latching on at right 10:30. I know, isn't it fun? I love how they don't care whether they're hungry or not. They're ready to go.
Right.
Oh. Yay. And you have to be latched on for 1 whole minute. That's what the rules are.
Which is a challenge at this age.
Oh, well, within the minute. How about that? Wow. Got a 12-day-old. Oh. Cute. So we have a 12-day-old, and who's the oldest? We've got 12 days, and then...
What's today? The 6th to the 7th. Tomorrow she'll be 19 months.
Oh, awesome.
Nice.
Oh, and then we got an additional...